अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वालैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया, जिसका मफ़हूम है सबसे अफजल ज़िक्र ला इलाहा इल्लल्लाहु है और सबसे अफजल दुआ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह है। अल्लाह ताला रमज़ान मुबारक के इस मुबारक महीने में हमें खूब अपना ज़िक्र करने वाला बना दे और अल्लाह ताला की दी हुई नेमतों पर अल्लाह ताला हमें शुक्र अदा करने वाला बना दे। Inshallah, today we will be start mathematics online lecture number 9, chapter number 13, area and perimeter. Topic: area in centimeter square and meter square. I am your mathematics teacher. My name is Nadeem Ahmed Khan. Inshallah, today we will be able to measure the area of plane figure in centimeter square and meter square.
Shapes. What that means is we are only concerned about the width and the length. We are not worrying about how thick this tile is because we only need to know the measurement of the area to determine how many tiles we will need. Area is the space within a closed shape like this square. The second thing we need to know is what a square unit is. This square measures 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. We can say the area of this square is 1 square centimeter because its measurement is 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter. The word centimeter is just a unit of measurement. We can also use other units of measurements like meters, feet, miles. Well, you get the idea. Here we have a rectangle that is divided into square units. The rectangle is 2 units wide. The length is 3 units. So we know the width and length, but we need to find the total area of this rectangle. One thing we can do is count each square unit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total area of the rectangle is 6 square units. Great job! Because this rectangle is divided perfectly into square units, we could count the square units to find the total area. That is cool, but there is an easier way to find the area. In order to find the area of any square or rectangle, you can multiply the length times the width. This is called a formula. A formula is a mathematical way to solve a problem. To find the area of a square or rectangle, the formula is area is equal to the length times the width. We just found the area of this rectangle by counting the square units. We got 6 square units. What if we plug the numbers into this formula? The area of the rectangle is equal to 3 multiplied by 2. What is 3 times 2? 6. Amazing! We just found the area of the rectangle without even counting the square units. This is very helpful because watch this next rectangle. Here is a rectangle that does not have lines showing us where the square units are. We could try and draw them because we know there are 7 square units for the length and 4 square units for the width. But we are going to use the formula. Area equals length of 7 multiplied by width of 4. What is 7 times 4? The answer is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. So the answer is 28 square units. Awesome job, guys! Now that we know how to find the area of a square or rectangle, we need to find out how many tiles are needed to repair the floor in the room we just broke. Here is the room. We need to know the area in square units to replace it with new floor tiles. To find the area of this room, we need to find the length and the width. What is the length? Counting the square units across, we get 7. What is the width? Counting down, we get 5. We have what we need to find the area. Area equals length, which is 7 square units, multiplied by the width, which is 5 square units. What is 7 times 5? The answer is 35.
Dear children, take out your page number 286 of book 3. Dear children, you see the figure of rectangle of yellow color. This is length and this is breadth. We can also find the area by multiplying the length and breadth. Formula: area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. अब प्यारे बच्चों, ये फॉर्मूले के जरिए से हम एरिया मालूम करेंगे. अब ये देखिए, अगर लेंथ अगर 3 सेंटीमीटर है और ब्रेथ 2 है, तो 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 इज इक्वल टू डैश. तो ये तो सबको इसका आंसर आता होगा प्यारे बच्चों. 3 2s are 6. The area of the rectangle is dash centimeter square. 6 centimeter square. This is your answer. Dear children, now take out your page number 286 of book 3. Dear children, you see figure rectangle of blue color. The rectangle has length of 5 centimeters and a breadth of 3 centimeters. We can also say that the rectangle is 5 centimeter by 3. तो अब प्यारे बच्चों, आप ये देख रहे हैं बॉक्स है, ये हमारे पास लेंथ है और ये ब्रेथ है. तो अब आप बॉक्स में क्या लिख दीजिए? ब्रेथ क्या है? 3. यहाँ 3 लिख दीजिए. फिर ये लेंथ क्या है? 5. यहाँ 5 लिख दीजिए. 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5 इज इक्वल टू डैश. उम्मीद है सारे ही बच्चों के जहन में आंसर आ गया होगा. तो कौन बच्चा बताएगा? 3 multiplied by 5 is equal to 15. The area of the rectangle is 15 centimeter square. This is your answer. Now we do the remaining part of page number 286 of book 3. Dear children, you see the figure rectangle of green color. The length is 8 meter and the breadth is 4 meter. Dash multiplied by dash. तो आप बॉक्स में क्या लिख देंगे? 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय लेंथ कितनी है? 8. या 8 लिख दीजिए. 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 इज इक्वल टू डैश. तो उम्मीद है आपके आंसर तो जहन में आ ही गया होगा प्यारे बच्चों. कौन बच्चा इसका आंसर बताएगा? 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 8 इज इक्वल टू 32. The area of the rectangle is dash meter square. 32 meter square. This is your answer. Dear students, this worksheet is in your Home assignment. Dear children, you have to solve this worksheet in your notebook. You have to solve this worksheet in your notebook. You have to solve this worksheet in your notebook. You have to solve this worksheet in your notebook. Jazakallahu khaira. May Allah reward you in goodness.